in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn this SVG into this 3D print. No CAD at all, only using Bambu Studio. So if all that sounds good, sit back and relax and I'll get everything ready. One of the things that we're going to do here is add a primitive, but we're not going to actually add a primitive. So the other day I was messing around and I looked into this add primitive menu here, and you'll see at the very bottom it has SVG. So you can click on that SVG and open up that SVG that I just had. We'll see it's pretty big, and add it directly into the plate, and it went ahead and extruded everything for us. And it also keeps all of those traces of the line. If you want to change any of the sizes, you can go in here to scale, change the X, the Y. You might want to change, uncheck the uniform thickness, but you might want to change, or uniform scale. You might want to change the thickness and not have this be as thick. Okay, so now we can take a look at it. So you'll see it's not as thick, but it still keeps all those lines. So if you remember, this had a black outline, the hearts were pink, and the ears of the rabbit were pink. So all we got to do is, just like any other one of our, prints, we can go in here, hit fill, hit edge detection, and then we can go in here and you'll see that it kept all of those lines from the SVG. So we can easily go in here and color everything in, and then do the same thing with the pink. And just like that, in 1/20th the time that it would have taken me to do this in Fusion, we were able to get this done. And I even made a little mistake there and was able to quickly fix it. So you can see how easy it is to take an SVG and turn it into a cool little display sign that you can do for Easter or any of the upcoming holidays. So I hope you enjoyed today's trick. I sure enjoy this trick. This saves a ton of time in Fusion, and that Fusion license might be in jeopardy. So Autodesk, you better do some cool stuff to hold on to that $400. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash a like button. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. And thanks for watching.